So like I said before, this is my 2000 Harley Davidson electraglide. I got it last summer. I probably only stuck about 1,000 miles on it, not even. I didn't get it out that much. I bought it kind of towards the end of summer, so hopefully I can get a little more miles on it. It's only got 23,000 miles on it, which is pretty low for the year that it is, and it's in pretty good shape, but I feel like it looks good, but we're gonna make it look better, so, yep. Alright, we got mostly everything off. I still got to do the gas tank, the rear fender, some of these brackets. I'll actually be eliminating this. I'm going to try to get some new foot pads, front and for the passenger. These covers, I'm going to be doing an oil change on it too. But yeah, it's coming apart pretty good. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with the bike. I just want to spruce it up a little bit and make it look a little more nifty than it already does. Alright guys, so that's pretty much everything. I got everything mostly stripped down. There's a few other things, the engine covers and foot pegs and radio, but I got all the fenders and the gas tank off, and that'll do it for today. Next we'll be working on starting to sand everything, get that prepped for repainting it, getting these speakers out, getting the radio out, and stuff like that. So yeah, sorry this was a little boring video and I didn't explain too much, but so as you can see, everything's all stripped down. Took a little while, about 2 hours. Not too bad. Got a few things to do still. Got everything laid out right here. Nuts and bolts up there, seat. Rear fender, still got to disassemble that a little bit. And the gas tank.